Well, went to Toys R Us and got a blaster box of Topps Heritage. Let's see what I do. First pack, gum in every pack. I don't choose gum, so a whole bunch of nothing. James Shields, Gil Mesh, Troy Tulowitzki rookie. Hey, Robinson Cano. That's pretty cool. New Age Performers, Albert Pujols. Insert. And a bunch of other base. Second pack. I don't know. I got a Chris Gomez, Orlando Hudson, Grady Sizemore, Kevin Reese, Jason Kendall, Todd Helton, Kip Wells, Lyle Overbay. If you watched the previous video, John pulled a Cole Hamels out of Bowman Heritage. He actually put back a box of Topps Heritage in order to get the Bowman Heritage. So let's hope he made a big mistake. I mean, of course, he got a pretty decent card in the Bowman Heritage with the Cole Hamels auto. So this is pack 4. Nothing quite yet. Jose Valentin, Hector Jimenez, Travis. We've got a chrome numbered to 1958 of Brett Myers and Calvin Escobar. I know there's some short prints that are supposed to be the yellow names or whatever. Mark Mulder, Mark Teixeira, Eric Milton, Nationals, Ryan Howard, Jeff Francis, and an Alex Rodriguez All-Star Selection card. 3 more packs left. Pirates, Sowers, Suppan, Kotze. Got a home run number, Mickey Mantle, number 10. Jeremy Himeda, Johan Santana, Vincente Padilla. Slide through these. Also got some Gaudy packs. Brent Broussard. Ooh, these are all nice and creased down the middle. Gotta love that. At least the ones that were bent weren't very good. Last pack. Cairo, Dave Bush, Jim Edmonds, Giants card. What is this? Warren Spahn insert. Brian McCann and one Uribe. And that's pretty much it. No game used, no autos, but did pull a couple decent inserts. Sports card failures. Thanks.